Okay, see my face, guys. Do you know what this has done? My face feels like caked, with some kind of scale. It makes it helped. Do you have under eye dip and wrinkles that have been worrying your head out? Then bother no more, your solution is here. Get these two items, Nescaf and egg white. Mix it together very well and take out some portion to apply, and then preserve the other one in your fridge for about 1 week before you can change it. Apply this on your face, leave it for 30 minutes, and then get into your bathing room to continue the rest. In the eye, I'm lost without you. So guys, it is time for application. This thing that we've mixed, let's see how it's gonna work. First thing first, I'll remove my glasses because I'm not gonna apply it with the glasses. Okay, so you look at my face right now, so that if this thing works, we will know. So this is my face. Actually, I have, okay, the treatment of this is all this acne and some form of wrinkles, yeah. So yeah, I was assured that this is gonna do the work. Let's see if it's gonna do it. Okay, so you take the record of how my face looks now. At least here we can see the wrinkle and the kind of deep. So let's see. Yeah, kind of deep here. I'm used to itching my eyes because of some kind of eye issue right from childhood. So most times when you're younger and you're doing some certain things, the body keeps absorbing it because you're very much young. So while you are coming up there, the body starts showing the stress that it has been absorbing for years. To start showing, okay, so this is it. We are going up, we are not going down. Okay, so this has helped. I think this is why I have this more now, because people of my age really don't have all this deep, cuts and all of that, small divisions and all that. Okay, so let's see if this is going to work. And I must tell you guys that you see the smell of egg, that foul smell of egg. I dislike it. Try to bring it close, and I dislike it, but I got no choice right now. I have to do this. I have to apply this, right? Go easy, but let's do it. So they said it's going to work for me, and I start in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Point to note, I just remember because I'm squeezing my face because of the smell of this egg, so I have to enjoy it. You're not supposed to squeeze your face, according to my doctor. If you squeeze your face, it's going to take that shape. Hold on. It's going to take that shape afterwards. So remember, we are trying to take away. Oh, God help me. No squeezing our face. Oh, Jehovah. The egg smells, but thank God the coffee is dousing the foul smell of the egg. Don't squeeze your face. I'm actually squeezing involuntarily. I think I need to get a mirror. Hold on. Okay, I have generously applied it, and it's gonna stay for 15 minutes, and then we'll follow it up with another routine, and we'll follow it up with another regime. Okay. Okay, see my face, guys. Do you know what this has done? My face feels like caked, you know, with some kind of scale. It makes it, it held my face so that if I want to even open my mouth like this or do some kind of things, it will be like I'm applying some form of energy, and I feel like you want to tear my skin this way. So with this, I think this might actually work. Are you feeling, you're feeling this scaly kind of sound, right? So you just held the face. Let's hope that this is probably that was why they said, probably that was why my doctor said I shouldn't squeeze my face while doing this, because anyway I kept my face, it's the way it's going to be until I wash it off. So it is time to go wash it off, and we'll be doing that with hot water. So we'll get to the bathing room. Okay, so here is my hot water. But first I would have to, you know, take my face in here and allow the hot water to, the vapor to go on my face and soak in my face before I wash this off. So I'll do that right in the bathing room. Okay, so this is the hot water, and just soak myself in my face. Did I say soak my face? Now please just put in my face here. Because the water is not really enough, hot enough, because I was scared. And not just that, thank God it wasn't even hot enough because it spilled on my face. So but in the evening routine, I will make it hotter. So you do this morning and night. So it is time to wash it off. You see, I'm dipping my hand in the hot water. It's not really hot, so let me just wash off. In the evening one, I'll make it hotter. So let me mix the water like down, dilute it, and then okay, I'm done washing. This is my face right now, but I'm gonna have my bath at once. But you just see. Let's keep taking notes. This is the first time in the morning. I'm gonna do it at night. I may not show you that, and I'm gonna do it for 7 days. So the way you see this face now, just take note of it so that after 7 days, we'll see how it improved. Okay? Yeah. Now, the gospel truth is that this thing did not work. I did it for about 4 days. I wasn't seeing any improvement, so I couldn't wait to even complete it for 7 days. And there was no point in recording and bringing it to you guys. I just, posted this so that I can give you update that it didn't work. Naturally, I am bad with keeping beauty regime or beauty routine, but when I was told of this, because my face was of a concern to me, I decided to try it, and I was ready to follow it judiciously if it worked. But for 4 days, I didn't see any results. Then why would I continue. If you know anyone that has done this and it worked, then let me know in the comment section, or tell me what they did right that I didn't do right. If not, this is not working. And if anybody tells you it's working, that person's lie. Stop doing it. Share it to people that you know that are doing it and tell them to stop, that it is not working. I don't even know how these people came about this, or how they were assured, or if people were just doing it to create content or something. I don't know. Even though it wasn't a content creator that told me about it, but possibly she has seen people creating content and then told me. But it's not working. It's not working.